Is UPS here? New stuff, new stuff, new stuff. New stuff, new stuff, new stuff. New stuff. All right, so here it is, guys, the highly anticipated new SoundStream Reserve CarPlay radio for the 98 to 13 Road Glide motorcycles. We've had the unit for the 14 and ups for a while. It launched last fall or so and was just wildly popular. Sold a ton of those units. So we've been waiting on this bad boy for a while. Again, this fits the 98 to 13 Road Glide motorcycles and gives you Apple CarPlay. So let's open it up and check it out. So these units are awesome. They're direct fit replacement, plug and play units. They're IPX5 water resistant, so they're completely sealed. You don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain. As you can see, exactly same size, shape. Even uses the factory Harley plugs, completely sealed. Very nice construction, solid unit. So let's plug her up and see how she looks. Select your language. We're in America. And we have our radio. There's our home screen with CarPlay, Android Auto. This unit's also Sirius XM ready, so you can add the satellite radio tuner to it. Of course, it's got Bluetooth, but we're gonna look at the CarPlay. Right. Allow CarPlay. And there we are. Got some 311 going on. Got our maps. Got all our phone calls. Text messages, normal Apple CarPlay that you've got in your vehicles. And again, this will work for the 98 to 2013 Harley Road Glide plug and play solution, water resistant, works with all of your existing handlebar controls. Very good unit, should be selling fast. We've got them in stock now, so don't wait. Come and see us.